Very good morning. Today we are discuss about very good morning. Today we are discuss about four quadrant controller. Controller block diagram. Here the block diagram it will be mentioned for the theta, the angle of commutation scheduler, and the next one is the omega. It's a it will be connected to the turn on and turn off angle calculators, and the next operating quadrant determination. So here the four quadrant determination for first quadrant and second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. Here the torque speed error to current transformation. Here the torque will be the measured torque input and also the omega angular of velocity reference. If the speed loop in this it will be mentioned for omega. Here the hysteresis controller for main phase, that means on and off signals. The schematic diagram will be explained for commutation scheduler, turn on and turn off angle calculations, operating quadrant determination, torque and speed transformation. The last one is the hysteresis controller for main phase, that means output of the on and off signals. Controller requirements four quadrant operation is necessary to get a fast response. The controller is switched to operate between the motoring and braking regions in accordance with the control command. Then the upper bridge and different turn on and turn off angles are used depending upon the quadrant. Here the quadrant angle between first angle and second angle and third angle. And the first angle 2 pi n rotor speed, and then the maximum value of speed theta m is equal to and the forward direction, and then quadrant 2 is a negative region, then minus pi divided by nr. Here the angular of velocity and maximum of magnitude in the variations. Here the angular of velocity reference axis with respect to torque value, and then third quadrant is a minus 2 pi nr, the theta angle displacement of the then decrease to and decrease the magnitude to falling, increasing the magnitude in the value, and then fourth quadrant and then minus pi nr is equal to then plus pi divided by nr, that means rotor speed. Here the turn on and turn off angles determine the form optimization approach are used for first and fourth quadrant operation. Then operation is the second and third is a mirror symmetric of that fourth and first quadrants. Here third and second quadrant, that is minus 2 pi nr equal to theta m, it's a reference, and that is equal to theta m effective, and the reference is equal to minus 2 pi nr theta and also the moment of inertia. Then theta on second quadrant minus theta m into fourth quadrant, and then theta effective and second quadrant to minus theta angle of fourth quadrant. Here the four quadrant controller in this diagram represented for the first one is the current increasing, then another is the inductance of the then controlled circuits, and then motoring and generating mode. Here the percentage of the unaligned and rotor position theta. Here the motoring current and then Q1 and Q2 it's on position. The variations of magnitude variations that means 0 to 0 Cn, and then 0 to and then generating current, it's a Q1 and Q2 on is variations of magnitude in the generating sources. Then first that means first motoring operates with optional turn on and turn off angles of first quadrant is the objective maximum torque. then forward motoring and forward braking, and operates with optimal turn on and turn off angle, 4 quadrant objective, maximum braking torque. And then next one is reverse motoring. The turn on and turn off angles are mirror symmetric of first quadrant. And then reverse braking, the turn on and turn off angles are mirrorly symmetric of fourth quadrant. Issues with the fourth quadrant sensorless drive. The effect of motor losses on model based flux calculations. Flux is proportional to current in the motor in the switched reluctance characteristics. Integrated problem of flux estimated at low and zero speed operation. The next one is the voltage measurement, then zero and speed sensorless operation, then continuous existence of information sensorless starting. Then effect of motor losses on flux calculations. It is voltage equation V is equal to I into R phase plus d lambda by dt. Here the V is equal to I into R phase equal to plus L di by dt plus I omega dl by dt. Then equivalent circuit to the input R phase and I phase. Resistance and inductance, and then Rm is the magnetizing resistance value, then Im is the magnetizing current, then magnetizing power and field current. Here the E is equal to Rm is considered across the back EMF, consider the effect of core losses, therefore the Ip is equal to IR plus Im. Then lambda is equal to lambda 3 1 minus e power minus f divided by theta, and then if into theta. There if is equal to n per phase, and efficiency is a core losses a dependent parameter. SRM is a suitable servo type actuator applications, and then 4 quadrant control is necessary for dynamic actuator type load. Appropriate turn on and turn off angles based on certain optimization criterion such as a torque, maximum efficiency, maximum response time, and minimization, etc. delivers a high performance. Development of 4 quadrant sensorless controller must consider practical limitation. 4 quadrant sensorless operation demonstrated in the laboratory prototype experiments. Thank you all.